In this video, we are going to see how we can merge the cells in Google Sheets. So let's say that you have an extensive set of data like the other details that we have seen earlier in the example, and we just want to extend this to multiple cells. So before in the example, we just seen that if you write an extensive set of data, it looks that it spills out of these columns and goes to other columns as well. But as soon as you start writing the other data on the next column, it will be contained just in this particular cell. So let's say that you want to extend the size of this particular cell that comes between all the columns. So you can easily do that. You can just merge multiple cells into one. As you can see, this boxes indicates the cells. So we will select multiple of them and you just go to this simple option that is merging. So click on merge cells and this is one single large cell right here. And similarly, you can make however you want. You can also make a very large box if you want to, but that is not necessary in most of the cases. But let's say that you have this kind of details where you need extensive set of data, you can use this option as well. But whenever you click on this particular cell, now this cell indicates that it's F2 to J2 because it's in the multiple columns. And whenever you feel that you want to unmerge this, because when you try to apply formulas later on, we will see that as soon as we merge the cells, the formula will not be straight away applied. If the merging is in between a data, it will automatically expand the range into multiple columns, and that might or might not be suitable for you when practically applying the formulas. So but we will see those kind of scenarios later on, but this is how the merging works. Let's unmerge, and the simple method is you just select the cells and you just click on merge cells again, or you just right click or unmerge them if they are multiple. If you simply click on this, it will say that the leftmost data will be disappeared. So instead of this, we just click on this option and click on unmerge. So both of them are unmerged here. So that's how it works. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.